Today I share with you all how you can make Zobo drink without sugar. It's super simple to put together and it's also refreshing. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a bowl, I just added already washed Zobo leaf and I add some clove as well, and I'm going to add boiling water. This method, I'm not going to be cooking the Zobo. I'm not going to be boiling the Zobo, alright? All I'm going to do is soak it overnight. Once I add the boiling water, I just cover the bowl and allow to soak overnight. If you don't have the time, you can soak it for a couple of hours. But for me, I soak it overnight. In another bowl, I'm going to activate my ginger. I'm making use of the powdered ginger, alright? I just added a good reasonable of powdered ginger into the bowl and I add some boiling water to it, and I'm going to cover it and allow to sit overnight as well. Because I don't have fresh ginger, that is why I'm making use of the powdered one. If you have the fresh one, feel free to make use of the fresh one. This is the second day in the morning. To sweeten my Zobo drink, I'm going to be making use of orange. If you don't want orange, feel free to make use of any fruit that you know that is sweet. This particular orange are very sweet. That is why I'm making use of them. All I'm going to do now is juice out my orange and set it aside. I have another Zobo recipe which has sugar in it in case you want sugar one, alright. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. But this particular one is sugar free and it's so refreshing. It tasted absolutely amazing. This is the second day. As I said earlier, I bring out the Zobo where I store it. I just give everything a good mix. I'm going to strain out the juice out of the leaf. Just trash the leaf and keep the Zobo. In case it's your first time hearing Zobo, Zobo is basically a hibiscus drink, alright, but we call it Zobo drink in Nigeria. I don't know other parts of the world, alright, but here in Nigeria, we call it Zobo drink, alright. I'm going to transfer the Zobo into another bowl. That bowl is small, so I can have a space to work with. I'm going to strain in the orange juice as well. We don't want any obstacles in our drink. We want it to be very smooth. That is why I am straining the orange juice. Make sure you strain it so you don't have any particles of orange in your Zobo drink. I also strain in the ginger because I didn't want any particles, as I said earlier, alright. Soaking your ginger overnight or soaking it for a couple of hours or minutes, it brings back to life. It makes it to taste as if you are using fresh ginger, alright. Anytime you are making use of dry ginger in any drink, just try and soak it with a little bit of hot water for a couple of minutes if you cannot wait for hours. I mix everything together and that is it, guys. Super simple and it's so refreshing. I transfer it into my jar and it is ready. You can serve it with some ice. You can keep it in the fridge to chill a little bit. Just go ahead and enjoy it. It's so refreshing, guys. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.